Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how to transfer money in online or mobile banking. If you're using a mobile device, you can follow the same steps, but first you need to download the new LAFCU mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. With transfers, you can transfer money between your accounts, make a loan or credit card payment, or transfer money to another LAFCU member. After logging into online or mobile banking, click on Transfer. Here you will select the account to transfer money from and the account to transfer the money to. After selecting the accounts to transfer from and transfer to, enter the amount to transfer. If you click More Options, you can also choose to set up a recurring transfer under Frequency, select a future date for the transfer under Date, or add a memo to the transfer. When you are finished filling in your transfer details, click Submit. To make a transfer to another LAFCU member, navigate back to the dashboard and click on Member Transfer. To make a transfer to another member, you'll need the first 3 letters of their last name, member number, if it's a share or loan account, and the share number. Select the account you'd like to transfer the money from, then enter the amount to transfer. When you are finished filling in your transfer details, click Submit. You can keep track of any upcoming scheduled transfers by navigating to the Transfers page in the menu. Thank you for joining us.